Hi everyone, this is Alyona. Welcome to my channel. Today I will show you how I made a Christmas card. I had some Kaisercraft paper left after I made Christmas mini album and I decided to make a Christmas card. So I cut these 3 pieces of paper to fit the base of my card and I'm gluing it to the front of the card. I fussy cut holly leaves out of the same paper collection to make some paper layers under my Santa Claus. Now I am adding this bell sticker to the corner and plastic poinsettia on top of it. Lastly, I decided to glue these 2 shiny Christmas trees to my card. I hope you've enjoyed my video today, and if you would like to see more of my projects, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, or you can follow me on Instagram at Crafts by Alyona. Thank you for watching.